All right, guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing review on my new Makita replacement batteries. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending these out for reviews. Let's go ahead and take a look at them. I do have to put together a bed frame, so I was hoping to use these. They're 18 volts. These right here. This is the 2-pack. These will work with many of the Makita drills. So let's go ahead and take these out. It's usually the size that it comes with. See these. And then it should work on the traditional charger. So we'll hook these up and then we'll go ahead and use them on building this bed frame. All right, so we'll just slide this in right here. And yep, and they charge just like the original battery would. So now that we've tested this out, let's go see how it actually does when we build something. These 18-volt batteries provide extra power for your Makita tools, giving you more time to work without needing to recharge. With the 6 amp hours of runtime, they're perfect for larger projects like building this bed frame and handling smaller tasks as well. Also come with safety features like protective covers and LED indicators to prevent overload, ensuring safe and reliable use. Got the bed frame done on only one battery. All right, guys, so there you have it. If you guys are looking for some replacement batteries for your Makita tools, definitely look into these. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.